Called Standard Insulating mainly because of their advertising on TV. Although it seemed to be too good to be true, their slogan that they will save you money is absolutely the truth. First off, the insulation cost a lot less than what we had expected. And secondly, it saved us on our utility bill by cutting that 50%.
Most of us think of a home improvement as something that costs money, but good insulation really does pay for itself. Your home will be a lot more comfortable and your energy bills will be a lot lower.
I would recommend them to anyone and already have. Because of the savings, the insulation in the attic paid for itself in about 14 months. They say that they can save you money and they will save you money.
Don't wait. We're ready to help. We have financing available and many people can qualify for free money to help pay for some or even all of their insulation. Call Standard Insulating. We promise to save you money.